Hello, Grade 4. Welcome back. Today we will continue studying from Module 7. The title of our lesson will be Let's Talk. In this lesson, we are going to talk about who and what exists in a place, ask and answer questions about things, people, using indefinite pronouns, anyone, anything, no one, nothing. You will be able to find the lesson in the student's book, page 84. And in the workbook, page 87. Are you ready with your books? So, let's begin. Please open your student's book on Module 7, page 84, and look at the pictures in activity number 1. What can you see? Yes, that's right. There are 3 rooms. We have blue room, green room, and yellow room. In each room, there is a bed, wardrobe, a basket, and a table. Let's look at the blue room. Is there anything on the table in the blue room? The answer? No, there's nothing on the table. There's another way to answer. We can say, no, there isn't anything on the table. Have you noticed that both words, nothing, anything, they end with the word thing? It means that they talk about things. But since they start with no and any, it means that they refer to objects or things that do not exist and cannot be seen in a specific place. And now, let's look at the green room. Do you see anybody or anyone? Let's make the question then. This is how we ask. Is there anyone in the green room? The answer would be no, there's no one in the green room. And there's another way to answer the question. We can say, no, there isn't anyone in the green room. You can see here we have 2 ways of answering. When the verb is in the affirmative form, we use no one. When the verb is in the negative form, we use anyone. We also use anyone with questions. Have you noticed also that both words no one and anyone, they end with one? This means that they talk about people. And since they start with no and any, it means that we use them to talk about people who are not in that place. And now, let's read the question together in our student's book, page 84, activity 1. Look at the pictures and tick. Is there anything in these places? Under the bed, in the wardrobe, in the basket, on the table. We have to look at each room and then tick. For example, the blue room. We have to check the blue room and then we have to look under the bed. Is there anything in this place? Yes, so we have to tick. Pause the video and complete. Welcome back. Let's check our answers together. There is something under the bed in the blue and the yellow room. There is something in the wardrobe in the blue room, the green room, and the yellow room. There is something in the basket in the blue room and the green room. Now, do the last row on the table on your own. Well done. Now, let's learn the rule. We call these words indefinite pronouns. We use the word anyone to ask about people, and we form the question as the following. Is there anyone in the bed? The answer? It would be no one. So, no, there is no one in the bed. But if I want to ask about things, I would use the word anything, and I form the question as the following. Is there anything on the bed? And the answer would be using the word nothing. No, there's nothing on the bed. Now it's time to practice. Please open your workbook, Module 7, page 87, and look at the picture in Activity 1. They are all looking so sad and maybe bored. Maybe somebody ate their food and they don't know who. Oh, look, there's something in the tent also. Now let's try to read the question and the words in the box together to answer. Look, read, and complete. Everyone, no one, nothing, anyone, anything, something. Actually, number 1 is already done for you. Everyone is bored. What could be the missing word in the next sentence? Is having fun. You are right. No one is having fun. Good job. Now, it's your time to practice. Pause the video and try to complete the rest by yourself. Welcome back. Let's check our answers for sentence 2 and 3. There isn't blank sitting in the tents. The word sitting refers to people, so the answer is anyone. There isn't anyone sitting in the tents. Good job. Sentence 3. There is blank in the green tent. It's a baby bear. The answer here is something. Well done. Great job, everybody. You can complete number 4 and 5 on your own. And now, let's practice more. Please make sure your students' books are open on page 84 and look at activity number 2. Look at the conversation between the two girls. One girl is asking the questions, the other girl is answering. To be able to ask questions about things, you should form the question as the following. Is there anything under, in, on, and then you continue the question. Don't forget to end the question with what? A question mark. Good job. The other girl who's answering, you should start with yes or no. Now, when we answer with affirmative answer, I say yes, there. Then I put is in the affirmative form and I use something, under, in, on, and that is according to the question. Now, if I want to answer with a negative answer, I would start with no. There is nothing under or in or on. Remember, there's another way to say it. We can say no, there isn't anything under, in, or on. It is the guessing game time with Noor and Ahmed. Pay attention, everybody, because Noor is going to ask questions and Ahmed is going to answer her. Let us see if Noor is able to guess the room. Noor will ask Ahmed, is there anything in the wardrobe? Ahmed would answer, yes, there is something in the wardrobe. She will ask again, is there anything in the basket? Ahmed will answer, yes, there is something in the basket. Is there anything on the table? Ahmed will answer, no, there is nothing on the table. Noor is actually thinking, I know the room. I will ask my final question. Is it the blue room? Ahmed will answer, yes, it is. Well done, Noor. It was so much fun to play the guessing game with Noor and Ahmed. You can play the game with one of your family members. And now, it's time to practice again in the book. Please open your workbook on page 87 and pay attention to activity 2. Let's read the question together. Question 2. Read and circle A or B. We need to complete the sentences with one of these words to fill in the blank. Let's read the sentence together. Sentence number 1. There is blank in the fridge. Let's go to the supermarket. Is it nothing or anything? Let's look at our sentence here and check the verb. Is it in the affirmative or negative form? You are right. It's in the affirmative form. So my answer would be nothing. Amazing. Let's read the answer together. There is nothing in the fridge. Let's go to the supermarket. Good job. Now, pause the video and complete the rest by yourself. Welcome back, everybody. Let's continue. Sentence number 2. There is blank in the house. They are at the park. What do you think the answer is? No one or anyone? I have is. The verb is in the affirmative form, so my answer is no one. Good job. Let's go on and find out the answer of sentence number 3. I don't know blank at my new school. What do you think the answer should be? No one or anyone? Actually, I have the verb in the negative form here, and this is why I should use anyone. The answer should be I don't know anyone at my new school. Wonderful job for answering number 2 and 3 correctly. This means you can do number 4 and 5 on your own. And now it's time to write. Please keep your workbook open on page 87. Pay attention to activity number 3. Let's read the question together. Read and write about your classroom and your classmates. Let's do sentence number 1 together. Everyone is blank. You can fill the blank with anything you want. You can say, everyone is in the class, or everyone is in the library, or everyone is outside. Simply just complete the sentence. Now, pause the video and try to complete the sentences 2, 3, 4 on your own. Welcome back, everybody. Let's check our answers for sentence 2 and 3. Sentence 2. No one is blank. We can say, no one is at the gym, or no one is in the library. Sentence number 3. There is nothing blank. I can complete the sentence and say, there is nothing on the table, or there is nothing in her bag. You did it. great job! Now you can complete sentence number 4 on your own. What a great effort in learning English today! You were definitely amazing. Keep up the good work. Thank you.